In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot in Microsoft Edge. Using Copilot can help make your browsing experience more intuitive and efficient, so let's get into it and unlock this practical tool for you. First, you'll want to make sure Microsoft Edge is open. If you haven't used it before, Edge is Microsoft's web browser, and it comes pre-installed on Windows 10 and 11, making it a convenient choice. You'll find the Edge icon on your taskbar or by searching for it in the Start menu. Once you have Edge up and running, we can dive into the settings. Next, navigate to the Settings menu. You can easily find this by clicking on the three-dot menu icon, usually located at the top right corner of your browser window. Once you're in Settings, look for the Sidebar option. This is key because configuring your sidebar is where we enable Copilot for quick access. Now, you'll want to enable the Show Copilot feature. This isn't enabled by default, so you'll have to switch it on. Finding the toggle for Copilot under the sidebar settings, just click it to turn it on. With Copilot enabled, you'll be ready to start benefiting from this smart browsing assistant in no time. After you have Copilot turned on, you should see the Copilot icon appear at the top right of your Edge window. Click on this icon to open Copilot. The icon looks like a small robot or digital assistant. Clicking it brings up the interface where all the action happens. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding or opening it. Once the Copilot sidebar is open, you can begin interacting with it by asking questions or giving prompts. Think of Copilot as your personal browsing assistant. You can ask it to look up information, learn new things, or even perform tasks for you. It's designed to understand and carry out a wide range of commands, helping you multitask and get more done without leaving your browser window. Finally, let's explore using Copilot actions. Copilot isn't just for questions. It can help you automate certain tasks and streamline your workflow. For instance, if you're doing research, you might ask Copilot to organize information or save key data points as you browse. It offers various features to help you be more productive, from setting reminders to managing tabs and more. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to utilizing Copilot in Microsoft Edge. By turning on and using Copilot, you can enhance your browsing and make your time online more productive and enjoyable. Hopefully, this helps you get the most out of your digital interactions with Edge and Copilot. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.